Assalamu alaikum everyone. I am Fatematuz Jahra, teacher at Alfred International School and College. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe by the grace of Almighty Allah. We all know that due to pandemic situation, we are not able to attend the class physically. That's why Alfred International School and College continuing online classes regularly. Besides, our honorable founder sir, Muhammad Hassanuzzaman Masood, has decided to share with you video lesson so that you will be more beneficial about your lesson, because you can see this video whenever you want. So let's get started. So our today's subject is English, and now I'm gonna show you the writing pattern of English alphabet, that how you write in capital letter, English capital letter and English small letter. Here I will write some letters according to our syllabus. So I'm starting writing. I'm starting writing. Okay. Now this is M. How to write M? How to write capital M? This is the pattern that you can write capital letter M. Now N. O. P. Q. R. S. and T. So this is the writing pattern of capital letter, English capital letter. So now I will write small letter, English small alphabet. M. N. O. P. Q. R. S. and T. So dear students, you will have to practice like this way. So now we'll learn the meaningful word according to our syllabus. So we'll start from M. Do you know that what is M for? Do you see that? What is M for? M for mango, M for monkey, M for moon. Now N. N for nest, N for nose, and N for nurse. Now O. O for ox, O for owl, and O for orange. P. P for pigeon, P for papaya, and P for pillow. Now Q. Q for queen, Q for quill, and Q for quilt. R. R for rose, R for rabbit, and R for rabbit. S. S for sheep, S for shoes, and S for sun. T. T for tiger, T for top, and T for tomato. Okay? Now this is the rhyme time. Now we'll learn an interesting rhyme. Okay? Let's get started together. Two little eyes that open and close, two little ears and one little nose, 2 little cheeks and 1 little chin, 2 little lips with teeth closed in. Okay? Okay, we'll say again together. Okay? 2 little eyes that open and close, 2 little ears and 1 little nose, 2 little cheeks and 1 little chin, 2 little lips with teeth closed in. Okay, that's all for today's class. See you next inshallah. Till then, Allah Hafiz.